kids! Hey, kids! Ready to learn A to Z?
Look, everyone! This is the letter A. And A is for this big, shiny apple. Can you say A? Today we have the letter B and lots of yummy bananas. B, this is the letter C. And C is for cake. Yay, cake!
D is for dog.
E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grape. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for kettle. L is for lemon. M is for milk. N is for nuts. O is for orange. P is for pizza. Q is for quinoa. R is for radish. S is for strawberry. T is for tomato. U is for utensil. V is for vegetables. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zebra.